Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that the capital is fully ready to receive, store and give coronavirus vaccine to priority category people in the first phase of vaccination. The CM said that he has identified 51 lakh people who will be the first ones to get vaccinated under the priority category, which includes frontline workers, health workers and people above 50 or having comorbidities. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, one of the sites for the coronavirus vaccine trials for Bharat Biotech's candidate Covaxin, has put up advertisements inviting volunteers to enroll for the phase 3 trials. The last date of enrollment is December 31st. This advertisement comes after reports of AIIMS struggling to find the required number of volunteers for the trials. AIIMS needs around 1500 volunteers for the trials. Aurobindo Pharma Limited said on Thursday it would make and sell US-based Covax COVID-19 vaccine candidate for supply in India and to the UNICEF under a licensing deal. The Indian drug maker also has non-exclusive rights to sell the shot, which is currently undergoing an early-stage trial in certain other emerging markets. Air India pilots have refused to accept the paltry 5% rollback in the illegal pay cut by the carrier. They have asked Air India CMD to donate it towards the building of the new Parliament building or PM Cares. The pilots said that they would be forced to resort to industrial action. They said that they have given the management every benefit of doubt as well as ample time to redress the issue of disproportionate pay cut for Air India pilots and its subsidiaries. The world stocked up on laptop and desktop computers in 2020 at a level not seen since the iPhone debuted in 2007, and manufacturers still are months away from fulfilling outstanding orders, hardware industry executives and analysts said. Remote learning and working has upturned the computer market during the coronavirus pandemic, zapping sales of smartphones while boosting interest in bigger devices, which had become afterthoughts to iPhones and Androids over the last decade.